facial?
Yes, the IRS will allow you to write off your breast augmentation, your BBLs, and your lip fillers if you meet these 3 tests. 1, you have to be able to prove that your income has increased in proportion to your implants. 2, it has to be required and useful for your line of work. So if you do only farms, or you are in the corn industry, or you are a dancer. And 3, they have to be unsuitable for everyday use. In other words, if you can take them out at the end of the day, when you're done working, you would. But you can't because they are stuck inside you. This is called the Chesty Love Tax Deduction. It became famous after exotic dancer Chesty Love was denied a write-off for her 56 FF breast augmentations. Well, she didn't like that the IRS denied her deductions, so she took them to court and won. And now we have the Chesty Love Tax Deduction. Now, only a small percentage of the population is actually going to qualify for this credit. And I do recommend working with a tax professional if you believe you do qualify. If you need a tax professional that truly understands your industry, whether you're a content creator or entrepreneur, we have them.